Una sa mga balita, inatasan ni Pangulong Aquino si Budget Secretary Florencio Abad na isa publiko kung saan ginamit ang government savings sa ilalim ng Disbursement Acceleration Program o DAP. Iginit ng Pangulo na kabilang sa benepisyaryo ng DAP ay ang mahigit sa 300,000 scholars. Nauna rito nanindigan ng Pangulo na may legal na basihan ang realigned government savings.
I'm trying to be fair. No. And I think there's a resource that can be gotten when you have people who are involved in local politics, who would know the actual people who are of need, the actual seekers who are of need. Then their voices also have to be heard naman. We are Filipinos, regardless of whether we're in an urban center or in the most rural area, we are entitled to the same services. And parang ang nagturo nga sa akin na ano yung use niyan, yung mga kapitan ko sa Tarlac, noong nag-umpisa ako. They were saying, I'm sorry, pakasirang plaka na to. And some of them are still alive. Pag hindi ho natin tinanggap yung PDAP o yung CDF or whatever, wala tayong access sa national funds. No? Yung walang access sa national funds, sabi na, maliban na lang kung dadalawin tayo ng presidente o ng sekretaryo, at makakakomit na gagawin yung kapangailangan natin.